Someone suggested in the comments that instead of doing thumbs up, I should just do some jazz hands. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We are going to be trying on, testing, talking about everything new from L'Oreal, Physicians Formula, ColourPop, Anastasia. These are like the top products from the past year. This is my very first tutorial. I'm so excited. This is a purple smoky eye. It's Madness Monday Rite Aid. We're gonna go get some great deals like NYC, 40% off. This is gonna be my bargains hat, and it comes with little mitteny things. Isn't it cute? I didn't know about this deal. There are some deals that, would you stop that? Just how waterproof is this liner? Oh my god.
Hello guys, missed you.
He's gonna be my helper in my favorites for November video. We are doing the infamous boyfriend tag.
Dun dun dun.
What would I eat every day if I could?
Salsa. Lots and lots of salsa with a fork. This is the big stud.
Holy Mother of God! It works!
Hey buddy. Oh, listen to his tail. Listen.
Hey guys, welcome to this week's First Impressions. We are doing something completely over the top. Louboutin lipstick, $90. Sparkles come flying out and magical rays of makeup goodness. It's just a lipstick. The color's really vibrant and beautiful, but I still don't think it's worth $90. Hey guys, welcome to OMG Tuesday. We are playing with peel off makeup. It looks like I've gotten in a fight. I don't want to swallow. I feel like I'm gonna swallow poison.
Something spinning.
Hey guys, welcome to this week's WTF. I picked up the Givenchy lace sheet mask. I'm here with James Charles.
Hello, sisters.
James is here to do my bridal makeup, which is what I am wearing right now. Which, yes, you heard me right, bridal makeup. We got a balloon and some shampoo. This device is freaking terrifying.
My lips bruised.
Did you really?
Tati.
It's the glamest of glam rooms
So
ever.
cool.
I thought it was like for eyebrows or eyelids or something.
An eyebrow primer?
Or eyelids, I don't know.
Technically, in my community, we would call this unicorn skin.
Today, we are testing out a glow-in-the-dark highlighter. Which one of you recommended this? James Charles is coming over tonight. I'm gonna make him put it on. It's fine at first.
Oh my god. This does not feel good.
I am trying to keep my very best spirits up. When it rains, it pours, and I want to let you guys know if I seem a little bit off in this video. My grandfather is literally in surgery right now. When I spoke to my grandfather, he has dementia, by the way, he said to me, remember, the love never leaves you, it stays forever. And like for someone to say that right before they're going into surgery, it was just like, dude, family is everything.
I can feel it rising, golden waves of sound. We're shaking the horizon, like thunder on the ground. Dive into a world I know. Just take my hand and follow me into the sun. There's no end. This is where we come alive. This is where we come alive.
It is Tuesday afternoon, and I am filming this right now, posting it tomorrow, and it's all happening really fast, even though this has taken years to get here. This is Halo Beauty, and this is the hair, skin, and nails booster. Everything A to Z in here is my vision, my dream, my hope for what I wanted in the perfect vitamin. I've been crying. It's just been so much. This has been so much, but I wanted to document this moment right now so that I could look back and feel good about it not being handed to me and easy, because this is a challenge. Even though Halo Beauty launched today and we are making a lot of sales and a lot of people are excited about the product, there are a lot of people who aren't. And this is gonna be an uphill climb. So what I'm gonna do is put on my makeup, because that has always been my armor in a way. It's always helped me to just really push through, feel good, feel strong, and that's what I need right now. So I'm gonna do my face and keep going on this adventure. It's Halo Beauty Day 1. I'm not stopping. This is not getting me down. This is not setting me back. I feel strong, challenged, and powerful. I'm not crying, I'm not breaking down. When you are presented with challenges, that's where you grow. I have decided to mix all of my self-tanners together to see what happens. Please look at how white my arms are and how tan my legs are. Look at that. Oh my God, this makes me so happy.
Don't do that.
This is unreal. I have Drew Barrymore. When I think of you, I think of a red lip. That's just like what I
Love
see.
a red lip.
Oh
It's okay.
my God.
It's beautiful.
Is this not rivaling the April Fool's makeup? I think it is.
April Fools. Don't be mean.
This is my trusty sidekick, Tati. We're gonna open some PR boxes. You can do it.
Hi, sisters.
Don't open your eyes because it's actual glue, you know?
Oh my God. Hi, sister. How long have you been in here? A good 30 seconds.
I have Larissa and Sabrina. Sadly, Erica, where are you?
This is probably my favorite look you've ever done, honestly. It's pheromones.
Booty parlor? What the heck is this? It's Boobra, the friendly makeup loving ghost. What? You mean the world to me. Thank you so, so much for everything, for every comment, every like, every share, every time you watch. You have changed my whole world.